Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on iPhone and iPad, unable to verify app due to distribution problem. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here you scroll down, search for this Safari app, tap on this. From here scroll down, then tap on advanced, then tap on website data, and from here you make sure that remove all website data, tap on this, then tap on remove now, and after that go back, then tap on clear history and website data, tap on this, then tap on clear history, and after that go back your home screen and open again iPhone and iPad setting, scroll down, then tap on journal, then tap on iPhone storage, and from here you make sure that delete useless app, and after that go back, scroll down, then tap on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on board toggle and select correct date and time, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll up, then tap on software update, and from here make sure that update your iPhone and iPad, and after that go back, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.